Have you ever seen air? You might have not seen air, but surely you must have felt its presence in so many ways. You notice it when the leaves of a tree rustle, or the movement of the grasses, or you can observe that clothes hanging on a clothesline move. Pages of an open book begin fluttering when the fan is switched on. The moving air makes it possible for you to fly your kite or firki. So, we cannot see air but felt its presence. Now, how can we find out in which direction the air is moving? There is an instrument known as weathercock. It shows the direction in which air is moving at that place. Now, is air present everywhere around us? We can prove this with the help of a simple activity. For this activity, we require an empty bottle and a bucket full of water. We will check that the empty bottle is really empty or something is present inside the bottle. First, when we will do upside down the bottle, it looks really empty. Now let's check whether it is really empty or not. Now, place the bottle inside the bucket full of water. Does the water enter inside the bottle? No, we have not seen the water is entering inside the bottle. This is because something must be present inside the bottle. For this reason, the water is not allowed to enter inside the bottle. Now, when we tilt or bend the bottle, we observe that some bubbles come out from the bottle. And at the same time, the water will also enter inside the bottle. These bubbles are nothing but the air that is present inside the bottle. When we bend the bottle, the air come out from the bottle in the form of bubbles, and as empty space is created inside the bottle, the water enter inside the bottle. So this activity proves that empty bottle is not really empty, but it is full of air. So air is present everywhere around us. Now on the earth is surrounded by a layer of very thin air, and this thin layer of air is known as atmosphere. And this atmosphere is divided into 5 distinct layers on the basis of variation in temperature and that change due to increase in altitude. As we go up, the temperature decreases, and depending on that, we divide the layer of air atmosphere into different layers. And as we go up into the atmosphere, the amount of air present decreases. That means air gets scant as we move up into the atmosphere. Now a question may arise, why do mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them? As we go up, the amount of oxygen present in the atmosphere decreases. In order to meet the oxygen requirement, the mountaineers carry the oxygen cylinder so that they can get sufficient amount of oxygen to breathe. Now conclusion. The invisible gaseous medium around us is known as air. We cannot see air but feel it through several activities taking place around us. Air is transparent and colorless. Air occupies space. Air is present all around us. So these things we have learned from the previous discussion. Thank you.